In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your search engine on Brave browser from DuckDuckGo to Google. As you can see, I'm currently using DuckDuckGo to browse the internet. However, I'll wish to switch to Google. To do so, head over to the menu icon here and then choose Settings. From here, scroll down until you see the option called Search Engine and then tap on it. As you can see, under Search Engine, our default or the current search engine is DuckDuckGo. To change it, just tap on this change and then choose your preferred search engine. For my case, I'll choose Google and then click on Set as Default. Now, if we open a new window, you can see now Google is our default search engine. So that's how you switch your search engine from DuckDuckGo to Google in Brave browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.